I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Hey friends, welcome to the inaugural 2014 edition of The Haunt Vlogs. So what is The Haunt Vlogs? The Haunt Vlogs are going to be giving you a detailed behind the scenes look at how a haunt monster such as myself goes through a normal season of Halloween haunt. I never actually formally introduced myself on this channel, so let me do so now. Hello, my name is Forrest. I'm currently 22 years old, I live in Orange, and this is my third year of Halloween Haunt. Originally, fun fact about me, I have never been to the event and thought it would be a great idea to experience the event, is to just throw myself in and to be a haunt monster. So my first year, I was at Uncle Bobo's Big Top of the Bizarre, which I will show now. And then the year after, which was last year, I was at Forevermore based on Edgar Allan Poe. So I'm going to show a picture now. And then moves up to this year. Now, unfortunately, I can't really reveal any information about what is happening or what I am doing this year, only because I've signed a non-disclosure agreement that I would not release any information until Thursday, August 6th, which is going to be, believe it or not, the very first haunt vlog. And it's not going to go live until 8 p.m., only because, again, non-disclosure agreement. Lawyers, don't you love them? So you may be asking yourself, what exactly is Halloween Haunt? Well, Halloween Haunt is a Halloween event that it takes place usually about like the last 2 weeks of September up until about the first or second day of November, which will encase all of Halloween in October. The event originally started in the 1970s. Originally featured a B-movie horror host by the name of Seymour. They would load into what is now the Charles Schulz Theater and do a movie time, and he would, in real life, kind of like Elvira, but he was the first really to do it. He would sit there and commentate on how awful these movies are, and then they started incorporating more street characters, but it was a lot of movie legends or movie, like Universal movie monsters, I guess. So like the Wolfman, Dracula, the Mummy, Frankenstein's monster, sorry, and things like that. Then they started doing in a maze. The very first maze was the 10 Chilling Chambers that would go, it was really cool. I wasn't born at that time, so I can't really tell you how awesome it was. But as the years have gone by, it changes and keeps getting better. Now this year is certainly no exception. So I can't really tell you anything about it exactly. Only that I can tell you that we're going to be having a lot of fun through these vlogs. Now for the most part, I'm going to be trying to do at least one vlog a week to cover the whole weekend. Now what I ask for you, there's going to be some viewer participation, which I'm very excited for. So here's how it's going to work. If you have any questions about the haunt process and what it takes to really be a haunt monster, you can be more than happy to. I'm going to tweet out, Facebook, Instagram, a chance that I'm going to be vlogging, or leave me a question on my Twitter, or Facebook or Instagram, all that stuff. I'll be more than happy to try to attempt to answer it using the hashtag HauntVlog2014. So I'm very excited for that. And again, any questions you may have, please feel free to send them to me. I'll be more than happy to give you guys the information. And again, the very first video is going to go live August 6th. So this coming Wednesday at 8 p.m. is when the vlog is going to go live. You guys will see the video. It's really cool. It kind of goes through the rehire process. Again, if you never know the rehire process, it's featured in the video. I will specifically talk about that. And then we'll go through more like scare school, orientation, your opening night, and if I can, I'm going to actually have my camera in the makeup room, seeing my makeup for the very first time. So you guys will actually see what my makeup looks like, which I'm so excited for. I haven't seen anything, I haven't seen the makeup yet. I've only seen the costume. Again, I can't really tell you a lot more than that, but I'm very excited, and I'm going to do everything I can to make sure I can get maybe my designer, Daniel Miller, in to be able to talk about the maze, maybe, even give you guys a very, very, very exclusive walkthrough, lights on walkthrough of my maze. Again, I'm not going to tell you what it is because that would be really rude of me, because I signed a contract. You can tell I'm really like throwing this contract thing at you guys only because I like my job and I like scaring people, and there's only so often that you can smile and be happy. Yeah. So, I hope you guys continue to watch. If you are new to this channel, please, 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 please subscribe. That's the best way of seeing the vlogs. Again, I start on September 12th and go all the way until November 2nd. So that's the orientation's September 12th. And then from then on, I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can, so that way you guys can see them, and I'll edit them and I'll put them up as much as possible. And I'll try to post what I can post. So thank you guys so much, and always remember, pink cake.